Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. Let's look at Jasmy coin before I do my live stream today. So the 3-day time frame. It's been a while since I've looked at this. It just has been. It's been a massive downtrend. The 3-day time frame, as you can see on the stock RSI, is starting to curve to the downside. And right now we are sitting right on 2 cents of money flow. It doesn't look good to me either on the 3-day time frame. The daily time frame, again, kind of like Dogecoin, starting to look a little bit more bullish here on the daily time frame. You can see that you're starting to get the bounce to the upside ever so slightly, but this time, to me, it still looks bad on the daily time frame because yeah, you're getting the bounce, but it looks like to me you're gonna make a lower high. Look how fast the stock RSI is resetting. If you do not break 2.5 cents, or really 2. We'll call it 2.6 cents before you get overbought on the daily and before you get your next correction, it's like, well, that would be a lower high. It's not likely, it would be a lower high. So 2.6 cents is required. Otherwise, it's going to be a lower high on Jasmy coin. If I jump down to the 12-hour time frame, that is already overbought, making a significantly lower high below that 2.6 cent level. 8-hour doesn't look good to me. The 4-hour time frame, again, below the 200-day moving average, just above the 21, but still below the 200, so you have to break 2.01, basically 2.1 to be bullish. The 4-hour time frame making a lower high, which just signifies that the smaller time frames can't do any damage. As far as price going up goes, so it's likely that the higher time frames are going to roll over as well. We'll see what happens, but overall, to me, this is Jasmy looks bad right now. I'm sorry, but it doesn't look good. The 1-hour time frame gives you some hope. It's above the 21. It's above the 200. You just had a golden cross, but overall, money flow's cooked. That is a higher high, I should say, on the 1-hour, but like again, it just doesn't look good on like the 4 and above. To me, look bad. So now let's go down to the 15-minute. Usually I don't look at the 15-minute time frame for stuff like this, but I do think it matters in situations like the 15-minute right here. I don't love what I'm seeing. Like you take this, that's a rising wedge, and they break down 70% of the time roughly. So Jasmy to me is really struggling. I would say that's resistance right there, but if you lose a level of 2 cents, you're likely coming back down to this low at 1.8, which isn't that crazy, but that's just the likely scenario. So we'll see what happens. I think it's more likely that you curve back down to this low at 1.8 and probably a retest of 1.7 cents as support, and even a worst case scenario 1.5. If Bitcoin rallies here, which I think it could, then maybe this gets some love. But Bitcoin's up nice today, and this is not showing any love. So we'll see what happens. This looks bad to me. If I had to take a trade on it, I would probably take a short down to 1.8 minimum. Not financial advice. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe. It takes no effort at all to hit the like button, so I do appreciate if you do it. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll be live here in a few moments because I do want to update you guys on Bitcoin. It is doing some interesting things, and I am currently long on it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for stopping by.